Is this your first time visiting my channel? Please like, click on the red subscribe button and the bell close to it. Subscription is free. Thank you.
You're welcome to the studio. I hope you'll enjoy our videos last time. Today we are looking at another important topic that will bless your life. We are looking at characters of restoration. Characters of restoration. I believe in life, losing anything is so natural. There is no one on earth that say he has not lost anything on earth. People lose money, some people lose businesses, contact. Some people lose even their wives. Some people lose, many things. Some people lose money, they lose their children. But all I know in life about restoration is that there is only one man that can restore, which is the divinity. Divinity has a capacity of restoring to humanity. So no matter what you have lost in life, there is one man, there is somebody, the divine, Jehovah. If you're a Muslim, Allah have the power to restore. So, but there are some characters you must portray so that divinity can be able to help you to restore whatever that you have lost. And one of those characters is that, number one, is that you must be able to know where you have lost, what has made you to lose such a thing. You must be able to know the mistakes you have done that made you to lose such a thing, and you avoid that mistakes. So you must avoid mistakes so that you will not be able to lose anything further. And by so doing, divinity will help you to restore. Another thing that you need to portray before divinity can help you is that you must be courageous. You must be courageous. As a matter of fact, no matter what you have lost in life, be courageous. Keep doing what you are doing. Keep believing that divinity will help you. You must be courageous. You don't need to lose faith, but you must be strong. Be strong and be courageous. And I tell you, you will regain what you have lost. There are people I know. There are people that are in life that no matter what they have lost, divinity was able to give them, what they were not able to get in 6 years, 7 years. They got it just in 1 year or 6 months. Divinity have the power to do that. Another thing that you will consider for you to restore is that you must be patient. You must be patient. Being patient, they say a patient dog eats a fattest bone. You must be patient enough to wait for your restoration. You must be patient. Be patient and wait, because when you wait, then you are telling God that you are waiting, so he will be able to restore you. Another thing also that you must consider for restoration to come is that you must be prayerful. You must be prayerful. You must be prayerful. Sometimes in life, what can make you lose things may not be ordinary. It may be a force. It may be, a supernatural thing that can make you to lose. But when you are prayerful, you wage war against any spiritual, attack. As you are prayerful, you keep telling God, like, God, look, I have lost so thing. Help me to restore. I believe they say, show me a man that can pray, and I will show you, a Jehovah that can answer, a God that can answer. So prayer is very important, when it comes to restoration. Another thing we consider is that you must be joyful. You must be joyful. Just be happy. I have not seen any man who is angry with the situation, and that anger, brings back what he has lost. No. But, if you are joyful, you'll be happy. Divinity will come and help you. You must be happy. A man said, a philosopher said that he once made a comment. He said that, you worry, you die. You don't worry, you die. He said, why worry? So you don't need to worry, but be joyful, be happy. Though you have lost something, it may not be easy for you to be happy, but just be happy. Program your mind to be happy, and I tell you, you will restore. Please, if you have not subscribed this channel before, please try and subscribe. Subscription is free. Please, when you subscribe, subscription is once. When you subscribe, you don't need to subscribe again. Please do that. Thank you. Another thing you must consider for you to restore is that you must have faith. You must have faith. You must believe that you will be restored. You must believe that money you will lose will be restored back. You must believe that those children you have lost that God will give you more children. You must believe that business contacts that you have lost, that you will get another one. So you must have faith. You must have faith in the divinity, and you must believe that God will restore you. That's one of the things you do. And I want to also let you know, another thing you must do is that don't consider the past. Don't consider the past. Your past can never restore you. You don't need to consider the past. I know must have lost something, but you don't need to consider the past. Allow the past to go. After all, everything is passing. The trees, they grow and they get old and they die. Human beings, they grow and they get old and die. There is nothing that stays permanent in this earth. So because you have lost them does not mean that you cannot restore them. You just have to be happy. You just have to be happy and don't consider the past, because your past cannot allow you to restore. Another thing is that you must have positive thinking. You must have positive thinking. Have a positive mind, a positive mindset. Your positive mindset will go along with helping you to restore. When you have a positive, believe that you can restore. God can restore it back. Believe that you will have another business contact. Believe that somebody somewhere will meet you. Your destiny helpers will meet you. You just have to have a good mindset about yourself, about your business, about your marriage, about whatever you have lost. Have a positive mindset, and by so doing, I tell you, with time, you see yourself restoring them.
Is this your first time visiting my channel? Please like, click on the red subscribe button and the bell close to it. Subscription is free. Thank you.